In this next quick topic, Tesla has released a detailing kit. Let's take a look at this and see if it's a good deal or not. Let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla deal hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Sawyer for posting this. Tesla has released a new detailing kit for $120 for the Model S, 3, X, and Y. I think Tesla recently did this with the Cybertruck, and it was also pretty expensive as well. It includes a travel case. I guess you could need that. 4 microfiber towels, 1 interior and exterior detailing spray, glass cleaner, and all-purpose cleaner. Here it is on the Tesla website, and I guess it's cool if you really want everything Tesla, including the rags, but it's probably not the best deal. And shout out to Colton for posting this from Out of Spec Detail. It is not a good deal. Save your money and get some premium microfiber and products, folks. So certainly take that word for whatever it is. Definitely check out Colton's page where they talk a lot about detailing all different types of vehicles, including Tesla vehicles. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts on it.